This is Paul. Yeah. You know, the declarant. Yeah. Declarant, one who has made a statement in accordance with the rules of evidence. The statement was offered to prove the declarant's state of mind. One who has signed a declaration, especially one stating an intent to become a U.S. citizen. The declarant grew up in Italy. Yeah. Now, these declarations that were admitted to court. Yeah. Um, I'm sure. Yeah, you gave that to the Superior Court of Guam and the sealed envelopes. Yeah. Uh-huh. Declaration of affidavit that the probation officer served me on Guam. Yeah. Yeah. And the legal separation of Guam. Yeah. And then because you served me a copy of the dissolution of marriage. No, the protection order. Yeah. Without legal separation. Pooh. Now, the need for this right now. There's not much need for an order for protection when the jurisdiction is Guam. Now, you wanted me to do a mental health evaluation. There is no legal separation on Guam, Brent. Now, your jurisdiction to order a mental health evaluation? Yeah. Is it civil? Declaration, a formal statement, proclamation, or announcement, especially one embodied in an instrument, the instrument being the protection order. Declaration of alienage, declaration of default, declaration of dividend, declaration of homestead, declaration of intention, declaration of legitimacy, a formal legal pronouncement that a child is legitimate. Now, just so that we understand, right now, declaration of trust, judicial declaration. Scots law, a party statement made in court and transcribed about a case's material facts. Yeah. An accused statement made after an arrest and taken down in writing. Now, I was an accused. Yeah, I was an accused on Guam. They took a statement from me at the Tamoon police station. Yeah. Made after an arrest and taken down in writing. Right. I was arrested on May 27th when you served me the dissolution of marriage. Right. I made a statement. Pooch. Well, I called, let me see here. I did call the public defender's office, right? I do remember being questioned. And I effectively said, well, I wasn't trying to contact her. I was looking for marriage reconciliation counseling. Yeah. An accused statement made after an arrest and taken down in writing. Officer Phil Donahue. Yeah. He interviewed me. I was an accused statement. They might have maybe written something down. Yeah. And then there was the whole 2-count criminal complaint in Jefferson County. I never made a statement. No, I was never given notice of court hearings. I was arraigned without any actual statement as the accused for violating the fraudulent protection order and cyberstalking. Pooch! Now, a party statement. My wife made numerous statements that I did or did not see. My wife's statement, made in court, transcribed about a court's material facts. Did she say that I got arrested on Guam? Yeah. Did she say there's no legal separation? No. Did she say that she wanted child support? Yeah. Did she tell me she wanted child support because of legal separation? No. Did I ever get right now? Did I ever get any statement of want of support? During any of the court hearings, the petition for dissolution of marriage, the dissolution of marriage, the temporary order of support, the settlement conference setting hearing, the renewing of a protection order, the modifying of a protection order, the renewing of a protection order, yes, the publication in mail of a protection order, yes, or the issuing of a 10-year protection order guaranteeing her 10 years worth of income. See, when you put a condition known as mental health evaluation and treatment if required, and you issued a 1-year protection order without legal separation, then you renewed a legal separation protection order when I was on trial as a defendant. Yes. Then you modified a legal separation protection order. And then you renewed it for 2 years when I actually went to the sheriff's department and received some documents that were not relevant. And then you didn't serve me 11 weeks later. Yes. Or 9 weeks later. Pooch. And then you petitioned for a 10-year protection order where the condition was if I do a mental health evaluation, treatment if required, and my wife didn't sign it. Pooch! Use forgeries to issue it. You guaranteed her 10 years of wage garnishment without my ability to speak to her or the 5 minors named. Without her acknowledging a receipt of it, and without her giving me a dissolution of marriage. Now, I'm sure the courts are going to realize the length of protection orders. Yeah. 1 year didn't seem to be sufficient because of her claim, right? Her declaration, yes, that I'm fearful for my life, that my husband's going to kill me. Yes, wasn't good enough. Now that would have given her 10 or 12 months of legal separation, wage garnishment. Yeah, $1,500 a month. Pooch, even though I was making $0 and we had zero assets. Ha! Renewing it, yes, gave her another 12 months of guaranteed income. Pooch! Right now. Renewing it for a show cause hearing, yes, where you said I didn't appear in court because I didn't. I was the recipient of mail and publication and personal service from the Clallam County Sheriff's Department, kind of giving me the body language. It's best that you don't go. Gave her another 2 years guaranteed income, and then issuing it for 10 years. Yeah, where she didn't appear in court, used forgery and fraud to be able to issue it, and you had a condition of mental health evaluation and treatment if required. Yes, gave her a total of 14 years guaranteed income.